So okay, I'm riding to PJ for the first time in months to get my bike serviced. The fork oil needs to be changed. More updates, yeah. Okay, after half an hour on the road, rushing hour, traffic and all that, I've arrived at the service dealer. So this is the place, rear entrance. Looks like I'm the first customer, so I'm gonna load the bike up to the ramp and tell them what needs to be fixed. Okay, the guy is doing the work now. Just a walkabout. Issue here is the fork. Gonna get an oil change and a seal change. There you go. Okay, the fork oil is being drained.
Apa dia? Sama.
After nearly 3 hours, getting the fork fix at the workshop, everything is good. So it was recommended by the foreman for me to change the battery and also the front tire. So thank you very much, boy from PG-1 Motor, my service dealer for helping me to get the front fork service and all that. A couple of fixes I changed the tube in the rear tire because I had a slow release 2 days ago, and also the front grip, a bit of adjustment on that. So I need to bring the bike back in for the next service, which I'll change the front tire and also the battery. Yeah.